Looking for an educational experience the whole family will remember? Look no further than IHMC's open house during National Robotics Week. On April 11th, visit our Pensacola campus for a trip into the world of science. From 4 to 7 p.m., you can join an eye-opening tour of our cutting-edge labs and talk one-on-one with our researchers. The future of robotics, engineering, virtual reality, artificial intelligence, and human performance is being explored every day right in your hometown. IHMC Open House is an opportunity to ignite curiosity and exploration in children of all ages, even those who are young at heart. Join us on April 11th for an educational adventure like no other.